Good night, teacher. My name is Mateo Orozco, and today I am going to present my sentence of vocabulary. A reward. Peter had run very fast because he wanted to win the reward of $2,000. A bargain. My aunt had gone out to buy to boat show no, to buy show this week before the bargain ran out. Oh, my father had to pay a debit in the bank until the end of the month. A refund. A refund. The restaurant had to pay me a refund for their bad service. Worth the money. I don't know if I should have bought this computer before graduating. A tip. I had left a little tip for the waitress. Saved money. I had to save money before Christmas to buy a gift for my girlfriend. My girlfriend had a loss of money in the last holidays because she bought many gifts by credit card. My uncle to had to have bought the cinema tickets by credit card until March 31. 31. In cash, I had to run to the bank before they closed to get some cash. Getting a receipt. We had to buy several things in the mall because we did not want to pay for the parking lot. Valuable. That girl's clothes had to be so valuable to be worth so much. Be worth. My clothing brand could one day be worth a lot of money. Discount. In the clothing store, they had many discounts on their products until April 11. Mortgage. My father had to pay the mortgage before December 17. Thank you, teacher.